Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Fitri Shafika from Wellness Entrepreneurship. So today I would like to bring you guys to a hidden cafe. Why I call it is a hidden cafe because it is located at the very back of UMK campus Kota. So most of people doesn't know of its existence. So let's not take too long and let's try it out.
Even though the place is close, but the place is very heavenly with only a very reasonable price and can be said to be student price. Cold water is also provided free of charge. Not only that, a relaxing place is also provided for those who want a relaxing atmosphere while enjoying snacks or coffee time. Oh yeah, they also provide a room for prayer, so customers who come from far away may be able to borrow it to perform worship. Don't worry, the cafe owner and staffs are all friendly and kind. Apart from even place and taste, food prices are also very charming and generous. Here are among the best sales menus, and for Taiwan lovers, this is for you.
So here guys, the food and drink I ordered for. This is pasta buttermilk chicken and this is teh tarik panas.
As you can see, there is a lot of pasta sauce and it looks very creamy.
So let's try it out. It's really juicy and very thick. This is the chicken. Mm. The fat is so tasty. It's not much oil. Mm. And not really spicy. I can tell here the spice is tasted. You guys must try it. I swear you will not regret it. Try teh tarik panas. Very nice. Not really sweet. And the taste is very thick.
They are open every day until 11 p.m. except on Saturday. You can also visit their pages to see another menus you would like to try. Don't forget to bring your family members too, the more the merrier. That's all from me, thank you for watching.